Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally remotely. Tally is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly platform for building forms and surveys, perfect for gathering information from anywhere. Whether you are working from home, a coffee shop, or across different time zones, Tally allows seamless collaboration and data collection. We will cover everything from setting up your first remote form to analyzing responses, ensuring you can maximize your productivity with this excellent tool. Creating forms remotely with Tally is straightforward and collaborative. From your dashboard, you can initiate a new form and begin adding elements. Tally offers more than 25 distinct field types, allowing you to build highly customized surveys or data collection tools. You can easily drag and drop these fields, apply your brand's colors, and even set up conditional logic. Sharing with your team means everyone can contribute to the form's design in real time, no matter their location. Effective teamwork is crucial when working remotely, and Tally makes it simple. You can invite colleagues to collaborate on your forms by sending an email invitation or sharing a unique link. Assign different permission levels, from viewing to full editing access, to maintain control. Tally allows up to 10 team members to work on a single form concurrently, ensuring everyone stays updated. Once responses are collected, you can easily export them in formats such as CSV or PDF for further analysis. After collecting responses, Tally provides robust tools for remote data analysis. Your dashboard offers a clear overview of all submissions, allowing you to quickly review the information gathered. You can leverage Tally's built-in analytics to understand trends and patterns within your data. Easily filter and sort responses to pinpoint specific details or integrate with other platforms for more in-depth analysis. This ensures you can make informed decisions based on your collected data, even when working from a distance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.